Sounds on Sunday is a long-running party that I've played over the last 10 years. It's the perfect kind of Australian summer party, so it'll be pretty quick from landing to shuttling over to the gig. Yeah, and I haven't slept yet from last night. I'm hoping to get a little nap.
When you do clubs and you have to fly,
you're working at night and you're flying in the day.
It's kind of like I'm a camel. Like when I can't sleep, I do, and I store it inside my hump on my back. Then I can go for days. I'm in the US making my music, and I do my thing. Then to fly halfway across the world, travel 30 hours, and have a sold-out show at Villa last night. It's still like, I mean, here I am 10 years later, and I'm still baffled by the whole, really how interconnected we are, and how music brings people together. It's amazing.
People are going nuts out on the dance floor. It is crazy. If you're not here, you're missing out on an awesome night. What's up, brother? What's happening? Thank you. Thanks, man. Sydney. It's popping all the time. Doesn't matter.